Hi, friend. I made a template that will allow you to create a cover for your track in just a few minutes. Let me show you how. Go to the project folder, install this font, and after installing, click on this PSD file. Go to the Photoshop project and click on the top layer, right here. Double-click here. We agree to everything. A new window opens, and here we need to enter the name of our track. I'll write something. After writing, we press Ctrl+S to save our changes. After saving, we go to the main window. We see that the text has changed, and we move to the layers below. Here we can choose a shade for our cover. Next, decide whether to keep or remove the copyright text and hide or keep the design element. Once the cover is ready, save it in the format 3000 by 3000. Here, make sure the format is set to JPEG. I hope this helped you. Check out my other videos on the channel. There you will find track covers, animation templates, and design resources. You can download the project via the link in the description. Thank you and good luck.